Introduce yourself.
I'm Jatini sir. I'm from Karnataka. I'm currently pursuing BTech fourth year. And coming to my family background, we are nuclear family. And
What is this Springboard?
it's a platform, sir. You can learn notes, new technologies.
Have you done any internships?
It's basic internships.
Can you explain your internships?
Yes.
Explain.
In my first year, I will do experimental internship, sir. It's from machine learning. And it's coming from my sir. And I will learn lots of things in machine learning. And it can do some projects. And it can implement the
What is K-means clustering? What is clustering?
clustering. It's clustered the data in small parts.
Ante. The brick budget clustering ante.
Clustering, big data is divided into some
Clustering వల్ల యూజ్ ఏంటి?
easy to understand. Yes.
గో లాంగ్వేజ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ అని తెలుసా? మరి మీ ఈరోజు ల్యాబ్ పేరు ఏంటి?
Machine learning.
గో అప్లికేషన్స్ అది ఎలా తీసేస్తాం? ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి? రిగ్రెషన్ అంటే తెలుసా? చెప్పండి. ప్లాట్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఎస్క్యూఎల్ కమెంట్స్ అంటే తెలుసా? JSON అంటే ఏంటో తెలుసా?
It's the database.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పు.
Database.
మరి SQL ఏంటి?
SQL also database.
JSON కూడా డేటాబేస్.
JSON అనేది machine learning